Hey everyone, it's your girl Marie-Carmelle Lindley, dancer, choreographer, and so much more. I had the pleasure of working with Jeejee once again on her latest project.
Kouri Sou Mwen.
So today I am filming, and the great dancers are filming me.
I got into the studio and started developing movements that would align with the song's message and work well for a dance challenge. I love collaborating with artists to make sure we fully capture their vision. This time, I'm giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how the choreography for this fun and energetic piece came to life. When Jeejee shared the song with me, the vibe was instantly electric, and I knew we could create something really special.
Project, and thank you guys for being here, bringing great energy, and really matters. Thank you so much.
When working with an artist, I like to meet up to brainstorm, review the choreography that I've developed, and make sure he or she is comfortable with every move. Once everything is finalized, it's time to complete the choreography and gather the dancers for teaching.
Guys, let's go! Let's go, let's go!
Working with this talented team of dancers was incredible. We managed to finish the entire routine in just one day. We even recorded it so everyone could practice on their own before the big shoot day. When that day arrived, the excitement was off the charts.
All right, let's do this. Time for us to suit up. Same formation, guys. Okay, now we're going to do solo shots according to student. So we're gonna do the choreography the same, and he's just gonna come around and do solo. Yes. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Good job, everybody. Are you, say one thing, are you happy with the service? I gave you service.
Very satisfied, 100%.
Thank you.
Killed it.
Thank you.
One take every time.